So everyone, we arrived at Agadilla, found a spot last night. It's now the next night. We've just been very much cooling down because it was very stressful when we arrived here last night. We went into town to go and sort out our SIM card, so that's all done. Nick's just made a beautiful meal with all the fresh produce that he bought from the little market. So yeah, we're just settling into Moroccan life, so I'm sure we'll be filming more soon. But for the next few days, we need some chill time, so catch you in a few days. Hello, handsome boy. If there was smelly vision, you would be in for a treat. So after a few beautiful days at Banana Point, we were swiftly moved on by the police when it was time for the mayor to come and visit the new structure that had been built on the point. Right, so we packed up in the end. There was a bit of to-ing and fro-ing on what we were going to do, and some have stayed, some have left. We're just heading, it's like literally less than 2 miles down the road. It's the other side of the main town that we've been in. But yeah, we're just on our way down through Ore now, where we know we've got 3 people parked up. So we're going to go and join those. Anyway, we'll see how that goes, and yeah, fingers crossed we don't get moved on from that one. But as you can see, everything's been thrown in. We've moved, and the whole neighbourhood's moved with us. We're all here. Look, got Adam behind, Trev, Jay, Liam. I think Chris is coming down as well. It's wicked. You look well happy with yourself then. Right, so after getting moved on by the police last night, we drove just basically to the other side of Banana Beach.
You can actually see it there.
Yeah, everyone has literally been shifted now. There's no one left there. But we stayed a bit further down last night, but it was a bit uneven.
Yeah, it was a bit dark as well, wasn't it?
And it was really dark when we arrived, so we just sort of parked up.
So we just bedded down where we were.
Yeah, yeah. So that's what we've done.
And then we've come to this beautiful
This
park.
spot is just freaking beautiful. I mean, you can't really complain.
We've made camp.
We have. We're going to stay here for maybe 2 nights tops, and then we're going to go back and meet the guys, and then probably that's when I fly home, actually.
Oh yeah, I've got to hang around, haven't I?
Yeah.
I'm going to be on my own again.
So basically, I'm flying home because I need to go to the hospital for a checkup of my bloods, and I have a portacath in my chest, so I have to be back in the UK to have that done. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm flying home. I'm seeing my family, so that'll be really lovely. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to seeing my mum, my sister, my nieces and nephews. Yeah, I'm really excited. But I'm gonna miss this place because at the moment it's minus freaking 5 at home. Like,
we're there.
Come on, what sort of welcome is that? We've been here just over a week now, so we wanted to get here, settle, get into the vibe and really see what it's like. So for the last week or so, this is what we've been doing. It's been absolutely incredible. We've met so many amazing people, like too many to even mention. And yeah, it's just, we feel like we're really settled and we're home now. So we'll start vlogging again and hopefully show you all the magic that Morocco's got to offer, because it is perfect. So first person to jump in the hammock.
On my birthday.
It's a birthday, so we'll let her off.
I need someone to feed me now.
I've made you a nice pretty garden. I've raked it all, got rid of all the glass, made a fire, got some grapes.
Where's your fan?
Luna! 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 I got scared then. Now she's in trouble. Here we go.
So after some fun on the beach, it was time to prepare for Nicole's birthday shenanigans. But not before we had some visitors walking through our camp.
So look who's just popped in to say hello. They're walking right past me. You going to hammock, Mr. Camel? Hello. Hi, matey. It's grazing, right? This is just nuts. Look at it. This is nuts, isn't it? Right outside the camper van.
It looks like he's smiling. Hello, Mr. Camel. He stinks.
I rescued
Luna, who is it? Is it a camel? Is it a camel?
He's just holding it in his leg.
Luna, no, Luna. Come away. He'll kick you.
Parsley. So you want some parsley? Way.
Luna.
I'm such a bag. Luna.
Luna.
Bye, darling.
Come on. Too big for you. Come on.
So after spending the evening round the fire listening to good music and celebrating Nicole's birthday, we ended up driving back to Banana Point to watch these awesome waves. Whilst there, we looked after the beautiful Sandy while Nicole flew over to Tenerife to renew her visa. So Sandy's going off with Sebastian now.
Hey, first time I had a dog now.
So another move, this time we're just leaving Banana Point to go down and see Andy and Lindsay because they're flying back to the UK tomorrow, aren't they, darling?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is our last chance to see the guys until March, so we're driving up to Imi Ouaddar, which is where they are based. God, my hair looks crazy! I just got to go with it at the moment. But yeah, so we'll be back here, I'm pretty sure, in the next day or two. We shall see. Hello, buddy! Just pulled over on our way back down to Banana Point. Someone's had a pretty bad crash. Nick's just jumped out to go and see if they're okay. Right, the guys are all right. It's definitely a write-off, that car. But yeah, it's always nice to stop. They're just waiting for recovery. Those two girls, they look terrified in the back.
I just stopped and asked them if they needed a lift into town.
Never hurts to stop to make sure anyone's okay. There's no emergency services like around them, so obviously we're one of the first to see them, so yeah, hope they're all right. Hello, you. Once we got back to Banana Point, it was time for Nick to try and have a go at fixing that step of ours. Liam decided to get involved too and help him out. Once that was done and sorted, we spent the evening watching the beautiful moonrise and sat by the fire. Sadly, this was to be our last night with Nicole for a while because she's off to Tafrout to go and get her truck fixed and painted up. Right, so excuse my absolutely salty hair. I'm going back to the UK for a shower. Yeah, no, I'm flying back to the UK. We are currently at Agadilla Airport.
Do you want to build a snowman?
Yeah, it doesn't look good. Does not look good, the weather at home.
Prepared for England, look.
Yeah, I've got a big coat. He's taking the mick, isn't he?
Hurry up and get gone.
I know, right? He just wants to get back to the park up so that he's there before dark. And chill, yeah. So it's my turn to say goodbye. But yeah, I'm flying home to go to the hospital, to have some bloods done and to see some family, which is even more importantly.
She's not crying yet.
I'm not crying yet. I'm not going to cry. I'll be back in 4 days.
Yeah, 4 days is catching suntan up.
Oh God, he's going to be like even browner. It's just not on, is it? Right, Luna, I love you so freaking much. Sorted.
Right, that's the rules.
Right, okay, I will probably catch you in the airport. Catch him on the road. See you later. Right, I love you.
Alright, love you loads. See you later, baby. Have a safe flight.
Right, safe, darling.
Yeah. Right, Luna, should we go?
Just left Nick. I flew back last year, but this year I'm flying from Morocco instead of Spain, so maybe a bit more unfamiliar, but to be fair, from the outside, they're making it look really nice. Right, I'm on the flight. Get ready, Mum. Get ready, Em. Get ready, all my nieces and nephews. I'm coming for you. That's it for this week, people. If you enjoyed that, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe and comment. Join us next week when Nick gets a few days Jennie free, but of course manages to get himself in some sort of bother. Cheers for helping him out, Liam. I spend some quality time with family before eventually flying back to meet Nick. Hope to see you on the road somewhere, because as ever, we are
Only half the world away.
keep dreaming big, being kind, and make every single moment count.